How you guys doing? This 5 horsepower I got for my kid's go-kart didn't run when I got it, but I knew it had ran before. It was left out in the rain, and where it catches for the spark of the magneto here was rusted over. I didn't have a feeler gauge, so when I cleaned off the magneto, well, the coil, I ended up taking the 2 bolts out here. And then, because I didn't have a set of feeler gauges, I used just a matchbook in between, and now it'll fire right up. It's not really that hard to take these cases off if you have to. These are 10s, and if I remember right, these are quarter, so 1/4. But now it does run. Hadn't ran in about 4 years.